Hey folks, welcome back to the farm. We've got several little projects I need to get done today, and it's after work and I'm gonna do them for my chores before supper. First thing I'm gonna do is my dad gave me this purple martin house, and it's on this pole, so we're gonna stand it up on this post. This is our fence that we're putting in for our goats. First thing I do is fill this in a little bit and tamp it with this tamper, and then we'll mount this to it. So let's get this right here. You can see how it's settled, and that's why I let it pile it up, and then the rain will settle it out. So that hole there. Now I'll go around and do this to all my posts. I've done a couple of them, and just whenever I get a little time, I try to do it. All right. Oh yeah, that's tight. Tight as a hat band. All right, let me get my clamps and my drill and my stuff together, and then we'll stand it up and mount it to this post. Think it's high enough? I'm gonna raise it up higher. All right, so I'm gonna take these out. My screw head wasn't big enough, so I got some other things here I'm gonna put in there, some different ones. And all this is a conduit clamp. This is a 2-hole. It's a 1. And I drilled through one right here and put a screw in that, so that's going to hold it. And all these are exterior screws I'm using. Well, that one probably hold. Take this one out. All right, as good as the pole. We'll back up and give you a shot of it. It's pretty high. I'd say it's 12 foot high at least. Might drill and put another screw in the bottom of it, just kind of give it that rigidity. But we'll do that off camera. We'll go on to our next task and start filming there, so we'll see you down there. So we had another one that we had a different location. It really wasn't high enough, so we decided to move it down here to the garden. And we just stayed inside the pole and used some self-tappers to screw it through there. That was actually tougher than the other one. We tried to lift it up there on the back of the side-by-side, so it liked to kill me. So we went and got the tractor, and it wasn't as bad, you know, just coming off that bad back anyway. So anyway, I think it's gonna work out. It's probably about the same height as the other one. And you know, we sent it up there and decided to move it. So really wasn't on the schedule for today, but at least we got it knocked out. I don't have to worry about it no more. Okay, I got another thing we're gonna go do, and I don't think it's gonna be quite as strenuous as this one is, so let's go up there and do it. Okay, so I'm down here in the high tunnel, and I'm fixing to do something that I don't want y'all to take my, don't follow me if you live in a certain zone, but I'm fixing to plant some tomatoes. I got 6 tomato plants, and I'm gonna plant them, and it's March 28th. It's a Tuesday. You'll be seeing this on Wednesday. So I'm about probably about 3 weeks early, but I'm gonna try it. So if I can get some early tomatoes and have them by June, you know, for the farmer's market, you know, I might have the first tomatoes there that's homegrown. So I'm gonna try it. That's what that's my goal, you know, to be the first ones there. But I'm doing, like I've said before, and I'm gonna go over this in more detail when we get this cleaned out next week. I'm gonna do a different system for my tomatoes this year just to try it, and I kind of got it laid out. I got 7 rows I'm gonna do, and I got 3 foot between the rows, and the reason I'm doing that is because of I generally put my rows too close together. I just can't help myself. And like last year, it's a mess to get in there and work them and tie them up and everything. So I've got some little paint dots here that I've kind of laid it out, and I'm gonna take my tiller and I'm gonna till me a little area right through here on this row for these tomatoes and plant them. And I mean, it's hot in here right now. I bet it's 85 degrees in here. So we're gonna plant them, and I'll show you this. This is my tiller, my little walk behind tiller that I want to use in here, and then another one too. And so let's go ahead and get this tilled, and we'll plant some tomatoes. So that's my DR walk behind tiller, and I did a counter rotating. That'll go either forward or counter, depending on what you want to do. And this soil is really loose, so it's not compacted at all. I'm really happy about that. Of course, my soil test, I've lost my sheets. This and my other high tunnel didn't need any nitrogen. They need potash, and I can't remember how many pounds per acre. I got to find that, but they needed like a half a pound of nitrogen or 1 pound of nitrogen per acre, so that would be very much in here. Now I did need some calcium, so I'm going to address that. My big garden's the same way. Probably I think they recommend like a 12, 24, 24, something like that. And we'll do all that later. But so I'm gonna get these planted, and we'll see how it goes. That's really nice. Now I usually take the, when I got time like this, I'll take this bottom leaf off. I'm gonna leave that leaf. But you can see these little hairs on there. That's that right there will form roots. So I'll probably try to, you know, go at least that deep right there. I'm using my standing plant too, so. Okay, I got them all planted. Got 6 of them. I didn't tell you the variety of them. They're early girls, so that's a 50-day tomato. So hopefully, if I did my counting right, I should be, you know, the end of May or something. that soil is beautiful, worked up beautiful, and I hadn't even minted it yet. So, well, I take it back. I've been putting the ashes down through here, and I didn't take my soil sample there, so I probably don't need to add a lot of potash there. It looks beautiful and worked up really nice. I'm getting excited now, so I'll show you these. I'm gonna water them in before I leave. So like I said before, I'm putting these in the high tunnel, and since there are only 6 of them, if it comes with frost, I can cover these up pretty easy. Be a lot like last year. I got bit, boy. I had like 200 in that other one when it came out frost. There's no way, I don't have the capability for that. So 6 I can handle. I'm not going to plant my main ones till after April 18th. So I might wait a little bit later. It's been burnt, but anyway, my beets hadn't even come up yet. It's been what? Let's see, 7 days Saturday, so it's been 10 days or 11 days, I guess. I don't know. Maybe that way I did it ain't no good. So I think Friday, my next video, I'm gonna replant some just regular. And then this other guy said he used vermiculite to put on top, so I'm gonna try that. I might even replant those. So I've got a bunch of beet seeds, so we'll try that. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that subscribe button right down here. All you gotta do is take that little finger and go boom, subscribe. We would appreciate it. I'm almost 500 subscribers. I mean 450. 500 subscribers, we're gonna do a big giveaway. So 50 more subscribers, which hopefully won't take that long, and we'll do a good giveaway and something everybody will like. Probably multiple things in my mind. That's what I've got going on right now. So anyway, hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up. We appreciate you watching our videos. You mean a lot to us. You know, we put quite a bit of work into it. Not a whole lot of work, but I mean, I do it because it's fun, and I appreciate y'all watching my greenhouse. I'll hopefully get that done this weekend. I was gonna take Thursday and Friday off, but I can't take Thursday off now because of work, and well, you know, maybe I can take half a day Thursday and we'll get it knocked out. But I'm gonna change my windows around. I had a subscriber give me a good suggestion, and I wanted to do that, and I'll show you that before. I'll show you that in the next video, because my next video I'm gonna do some blackberries. I get my blackberry plants planted, so I'm gonna do that hopefully Thursday afternoon. And or maybe Friday afternoon, we'll redo some. Well, I have to do it Thursday to have it come out Friday. I'm just rambling on and on and on. Hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up. Appreciate y'all watching. Support your local farmer, and I'll see you down here in the farm in the next video.